Hello, and welcome to Talk Fluent, the podcast for learners who want to speak English with more confidence and joy. I'm Sarah, and I'm here to help you speak English more naturally, step by step, day by day. I will be speaking slowly and clearly, so you can follow me with comfort and ease. In today's episode, we're going to talk about something very important, something that every English learner needs, no matter their level. Today, we're going to talk about how to build real confidence in English, even if you feel shy, even if you make mistakes. Even if you think your English is not good enough yet. Many learners believe they must speak perfectly to feel confident. But that is not true. Confidence doesn't come from perfection. Confidence comes from practice. If you wait until everything is perfect, you will wait forever. But if you take small steps, even simple ones, your confidence grows slowly and naturally. Maybe you have stopped yourself from speaking before. Maybe you felt nervous or embarrassed or unsure. Maybe you thought, what if I say something wrong? This feeling is normal. Every learner experiences it. But you don't have to let fear control you. The first thing to remember is this: everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. You are not learning English to be perfect. You are learning English to communicate, to express yourself, to grow. Think about a child learning to walk. The child falls again and again, but each fall brings progress. No one tells the child to stop. We always say, it's okay. Try again. Your English journey is the same. Mistakes are part of the process. They show that you are trying something new. And trying is the key to improvement. So today, we are going to explore simple ways to feel calmer, braver, and more confident when you speak English. These are steps you can use every day, in your real life. Steps that help you become more natural and more relaxed. Let's start with the first idea. Confidence is something you build, not something you wait for. It grows slowly, like a small plant. You give it water every day. You give it sunlight. You take care of it. And one day, without noticing, it becomes stronger. Speaking English works the same way. You don't suddenly become confident in one day. But if you use small daily actions, your confidence grows quietly, in the background. Now, let's talk about the first step, to build confidence. Speak a little every day, even 1 minute. This step is simple, but it's very powerful. You don't need long conversations. You don't need a teacher beside you. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need your voice. Speak for 1 minute in the morning. Speak for 1 minute before bed. Speak while you walk, or while you cook, or while you clean. Talk about what you see, how you feel, and what you think. The more you hear your own voice in English, the more natural speaking becomes. It's not about speaking beautifully or correctly. It's about speaking often. Small moments create strong habits, and strong habits build real confidence. Now that we've talked about speaking a little every day, let's move to another important idea. Confidence grows when you notice your progress. Many learners make progress, but they never feel it because they don't pay attention to the small wins. But small wins are the real foundation of confidence. Maybe today you understood a short video. Maybe you wrote 3 clear sentences in English. Maybe you said 1 simple sentence without thinking too much. These moments matter. They may feel small, but they show that you are growing. Your brain needs these positive signals. When you recognize them, you feel stronger inside. Most people focus only on their mistakes. They say, "I said that wrong," or "I forgot a word," or "My grammar wasn't perfect." But they forget to notice the good things. They forget the moments when they understood something new, or when they expressed a thought successfully. Confidence grows when you change your attention. Instead of saying, "I'm bad at English," try saying, "I'm improving every day." Instead of thinking, "I can't speak," try thinking, "I'm learning step by step." These small changes in your self-talk make a big difference. Now let's talk about another simple but powerful step. Use simple English, not perfect English. Many learners think their sentences must be long and advanced. They believe they need difficult vocabulary. But simple English is strong English. Simple English is clear English. Simple English helps you communicate without fear. It's better to say something simple than to say nothing at all. It's better to express yourself clearly with short sentences than to stay silent because you want to sound perfect. When you allow yourself to speak simply, you feel lighter. You feel calmer. And this calmness helps your confidence grow naturally. Another helpful step is this. Talk to yourself in English throughout your day. This is one of the easiest ways to build confidence because you don't need anyone else. You can do it anytime, anywhere. When you wake up, say a short thought in English. When you are cooking, describe what you're doing. When you are walking outside, say what you notice. These small thoughts connect your mind to English. They help you think more naturally. And when you think more naturally, speaking feels easier. Talking to yourself also removes pressure. There is no fear, no mistakes, no judgment. It's just a quiet practice that slowly shapes your confidence from the inside. Now let's talk about something many learners do, but shouldn't: comparing themselves to others. This is one of the fastest ways to lose confidence. Maybe you know someone who speaks better. Maybe you watch a video of someone who sounds fluent, and suddenly you feel small. But comparing yourself to others doesn't help you grow. Everyone is on their own journey. Everyone learns at their own speed. Your job is not to be better than someone else. Your job is to be better than you were yesterday. When you stop comparing, you feel more relaxed. You feel more free to make mistakes. You feel more open to learning. And confidence grows in this kind of environment, an environment where you are patient, kind, and supportive toward yourself. All right, let's keep going. And now, let's finish this. When you learn something new, your brain gets a little tired. That's normal. But being tired doesn't mean you're not learning. In fact, that's usually the moment when real learning begins, when your mind is a bit slow and you need just a little more focus. So take a short break when you need it. Drink some water. Stretch your neck. Then come back with a calm mind. A slow mind is not a weak mind. It's a focused mind. And remember this: small progress is still progress. Every short practice, every small improvement, every moment you stay patient, it all builds up. All right, that's everything for today. Thanks for being here with me. You're doing great. And we'll keep going, step by step. Bye for now.